Alright guys, so this is the second video for section 11.5, okay, and this we're going to calculate surface area and volume of cylinders. Now, rule of thumb is anything circular just makes life a whole lot easier when it comes to calculating surface area and volume. Okay, it's a lot more straightforward and a lot less work. So if you can do prisms, for sure, you can do cylinders easily. Okay, so by definition, a cylinder, okay, it's going to be a non-polyhedron, and the reason it's a non-polyhedron is because it's not composed of polygons. It is not composed of polygons. Okay, it's going to have two circular bases that are both parallel and congruent. That are connected by, I would say, rounded sides. Okay, think of like a can in your pantry. Okay, that would be a cylinder. Okay, so the volume of, guys, I copied and pasted this. This should be cylinder. This should be cylinder. This should be cylinder. And this should be cylinder. We are talking about cylinders, not prisms anymore. Okay, so the volume of a cylinder, okay, it's going to be the same as the volume of the prism. It's going to be the area of the base times the height of the cylinder. Well, the good news is the area of the base is always a circle. So the area of the base is always just pi r squared, okay? And then the height of the cylinder is just h. So we can always find the volume of a cylinder by pi r squared times h. Okay, the lateral area. Okay, this is still going to be the perimeter of the base, okay, times the height of cylinder. Okay, but luckily for us, the base is always a circle, so the perimeter of the base would just be the circumference, so that's just 2 pi r times h. So our lateral area is just 2 pi r h. It's much more straightforward. Okay, the base of the cylinder, the area is going to be pi r squared always because it is a circle. And so the total surface area of the cylinder, it's going to be 2 times the area of the bases plus the lateral area, which is the perimeter of the base, times the height of the cylinder. Okay, well, once again, we can break this down to easier terms too. Okay, the surface area, 2 times the area of the base is just pi r squared because it's circular, plus the perimeter of the base is the circumference, 2 pi r times height. This is how you find it. Okay, let's look at an example. Okay, we have this cylinder right here. Okay, the volume of the cylinder is going to be pi r squared times h. Okay, well, here's my radius, here's my height. So I can find the volume of this thing as pi times 15 squared times 12. Okay, and if I put that into my calculator, I get about 8482.3 centimeters cubed. Okay, now the surface area, a little longer, but it's not any more difficult. Okay, the surface area is going to be 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. So 2 pi, my r is 15, plus 2 pi times 15 times 12. Okay, and if I put that into my calculator, I get roughly 2544.7, and that'll be centimeters squared. Okay, so other than the formula looking long, it's not bad at all. All right, I want you to go ahead and pause this video. Okay, find on your own the volume and the surface area of this cylinder, and then come back and you can check your answer. All right, so this is what you should have gotten on B.